In this event we use touch switch and buzzer. Touch switch is an input and buzzer is output. Flowchart explains powering the touch switch to 3.3 volts, buzzer to the 5 volts and 5 volts to the ESP32. Now connecting the touch switch to ESP32 as input and the output to the buzzer from ESP32. Now write the code in the Arduino IDE for the desired input and output device selected to perform this event. Define buzzer in any digital pin, here we assign with GPIO 16. Similarly, we assign GPIO 2 for the touch sensor. To activate the pin function, we use the pin mode for buzzer as output and touch as input. Initially set the buzzer as low through digital write command. Read the touch switch value using digital read and temporarily store in any variable. Here we allocate touch state and use the condition to check if switch is high or low. If it is high, buzzer will be high, else buzzer will be low using if condition. Any condition can also be used. Now save the program and click the tools and select the particular board and select the port and verify the program and finally uploading ESP32. Power the IoT kit by connecting the adapter. Connect the selected input sensor that is touch switch to the specific power pin and the D2 GPIO pin. Connect the selected output sensor that is buzzer to the 5 volts power pin and the RX2 GPIO pin. Now press the touch sensor and see the buzzer function. The touch sensor is widely applied in lifts, game consoles, home automations and industrial automation equipment. A buzzer is an audio signaling device, which may be mechanical or electromechanical. Typical uses of buzzers include alarm devices, timers, machineries and automobiles.